What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. As you can tell by the title, today we are doing a nail haul. About 2 weeks ago, I ordered all this stuff that you need if you are starting out as a nail tech or want to become a nail tech. This is just the basic stuff that you need. I still have more stuff that I need to get, but in this video it's just the basics. All right, guys, so first we are going to start with, I have two products by Melody Susie. I'm not sure if you guys know who that is, but she makes like nail supplies on site, but I got this off of Amazon. So this is the LED UV nail lamp. So this right here is black. Let me try to plug it in. So it comes with 4 settings: 15, 30, 60, and 90 seconds. When you plug this in, so once this is turned on, it has a motion detector. When you put your hand in, it lights up. This is such a pretty blue. This is so pretty. So this is that. And next we have, this is just an edge cutter. I'm gonna take it out the box. It comes with like extra pieces. So I guess it comes with like a screw or something and an extra piece if this one breaks off. And it just comes with like these extra, I guess if it breaks or something, and it comes with like a little screw or whatever. So that's that. So next we have something else by Melody Susie. This is the nail drill. It's called a Scarlet Nail Drill. And it does come with a 20% off coupon for some drill bits. And I heard their drill bits are really good, but this did come with some drill bits. So this is a machine. It's so nice and petite. I'm not sure how many drill bits this is. This is not even drill bits. This is sanding bits. Comes with a pack of drill bits with sanding bits on top. It comes with the cord. And if you want, it also comes with a foot pedal that you do connect. And if you just look in the back here, it has all of the places that you take and you connect these cords to. Not sure what that button is for. Guess we'll find out. And then the drill, it comes in with this styrofoam. This is the drill. I like that it's so thick. Because for one, if you know it's thick, you're able to grip. So this I do like about it. In another video, I will like put everything together, just not in this video, just for time's sake. So that's that. Next we have I got a mannequin head. I said head. Mannequin hand. So this is a hand. I don't know if you guys ever seen this before, but people that are starting to do nails, like beginners, want to learn how to do nails, you don't want to go trying on somebody and mess up their hand. Because for one, if acrylic is not put on the right way, baby, your skin, bye-bye. So I wouldn't even want to I wouldn't even want nobody to try on me, and so I'm not gonna go try on other people. It don't really matter who you are. I'm not gonna try on you, and I don't know what I'm doing. But anyways, so this is just the box, and there's instructions and everything. This here is a hand. It's how do you say it? What's the word I'm looking for? Human size. It's a human size hand. And like what I love about this, as you can see, you can move the hands. So you know how like with a real hand, you may take the person's hand and you may bend it. You can do that with this. And this comes with, I believe it said 200 extra nails. So these are the nails. This replicates the person's real nail. And then I guess you just file that down or whatever. And then you just add your tips. Just add your tips on, or do whatever look you're desiring to do. Okay, that's that. And so far, all I've shown is from Amazon. When I get to the other places, I will let you guys know. So this is a drill bit. It's a extra fine drill bit. So this drill bit, it is extra fine and it's a safety drill bit. As you can see, this right here, this rounded thing right here, piece right here, once this goes against your skin, it will not cause any burning or irritating sensation, which is very good for beginners, because if you get those regular drill bits and you do not know how to use them, you will rip off the skin, especially if you have a high power drill bit, high power nail drill. I'm sorry guys, my mind is out of here. But anywho, so I got these are not from Amazon. These are from, I cannot remember right now, but I will link them down below if I can remember where they are from. But let me tell you, when I say this was a deal, I mean it was a deal. We have one more color. So these are the colors that I got. The first one is, first I want to say that these, it comes with a gel polish and a regular polish. And this is the D&D collection. So this color is, what did it say the color? Deep Paradise. This is a nice little light purple. I do not wear dark colors. I don't know what it is. I just don't. These are mostly spring colors that I picked out. I still have more to get, but I was just starting with these. This is the forest green. I still have to check back at my receipt because I do not remember getting this dark of a green. What I think happened is I got the it was a green, but it wasn't this dark. And on the picture, it wasn't this dark on the picture. So yeah, this is the mermaid blue. Super pretty, super pretty. This is the sheer pink. And this is the faded violet. So the thing with these two colors, they remind me of each other. Super similar. Like I said, if you look on the website, if I do get a chance to link it down below, look on the website and they show one thing, but then it's like it's a different color when you get it in the mail. That's just what I have noticed. I don't know. Then we have this pretty yellow. This is called Glossy Stars. Like I said, all spring colors because we are in April. And who doesn't love spring colors? To be honest, that's all I wear is spring colors every time of year. And then I just have this nail clip. What I have learned, this is a straight edge nail clip. When you are cutting tips, if you have a nail clip, let's see if I can find it. So this is what you do not want. A nail clip that is like this when you're cutting tips. I don't know if you can see at this angle, but this is a curved. And this one is straight. You can tell the difference. So with that being said, you want this one because the one, if you do go to clip your tips with this one, let's see. What are you doing? Yeah, so just don't. Get you a straight edge nail clipper. And that's it for the box. So then we have this beautiful package. This package is so pretty. Oh my god. I think I know where they got it from too. So this is from Alpha Brushes. So this is a brush. This is a oval Kolinsky brush and a number 8. 8 is very good for beginners. I use this brush for literally a second just to see how it is. But the thing about these brushes, you have to break them in because they come with starch on them. Don't ask me why, I don't know. But it's smaller than I thought it would be. But I guess when you think about the nail size, I guess it's a good size. I'm not sure. I'll just have to work with it to see. So that's that. Beautiful. And this package smells like monomer, which is what is in my hand. This is the monomer. So this is the monomer. I have no idea what the bottle looks like this. I don't know if it's me, but to me it looks bent. It's like, I don't know, whatever. But this is a monomer. It's acrylic monomer nail liquid. No MMAs, non-yellowing. Have no idea what that means, but I guess we're gonna find out. So that's that. So these are the eclipse. Okay, I'm just gonna check them out. I did get them in different sizes too. One is, this is the blue acrylic. This is in 1 ounce. Let me open them up. So this is the 1 ounce. Okay, so clearly I have to, y'all. This is the Glamour blue acrylic. That's in a 1 ounce. There. This is the Milky White. That one just came off. Whatever. That's the Milky White. This is the Crystal Clear. Are these the same sizes? Because these are 2 ounce. These are 2 ounces, but I could have swore I ordered 4. It says 2 on the paper, but I could have swore I ordered a 4 ounce. I could be wrong. This is the clear. That one I'm starting to smell a little of a strong chemical smell to it. And this is last, the natural pink. Oh, that's pretty. This is gonna be my favorite. See it already. Okay, so those are clothes. Next we have, these are just our nail tips, and I'm glad it came with the case. Are the nail tips by Nail Supply Glamour, and these are the natural nail tips. I do have to get some clear nail tips for when I want to when I'm gonna do like flowers and stuff. I just wanted to start off with these. Let me check to see if they're okay. So they're not flimsy. I think that's good. They're not too flimsy, and this do come with 500. These were $8. Oh, a lot. These were $9, $8.99. These were $8.99. That's a good price because Amazon had 500 for like $11. So this is the Dap and Dish. They charged me $1.99 for this Dap and Dish. That's with the lid and stuff. Then I wasn't gonna order this at first because when you are practicing on a nail hand, you do not need you don't need to use primer. It would be a waste because you could be using it on a real person hand. Oh, they do not wrap this in toilet paper. Look at this, the ghetto. Whatever. So this is the Mia Secret, and this is the only Mia Secret product that I got. Don't ask me why, because originally I was going for the Mia Secret product, but I wanted to also get the color acrylic, and I heard that the Mia Secret color acrylic is super thick and it's hard to maneuver. So I'm like, you know what, let me just get all Nail Supply Glamour. And then I got this 100 nail file. I was gonna get a 100, 180, but I'm like, nah, that's too thick. And I got a nail drill for that. Yeah, that's the end of this video. Make sure you go check out my last video, my makeup tutorial with that bomb orange chrome color look. I'm gonna link that below. Click on it. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe for this video, and see you guys next time.